buddy. No way.
Alright, then you can do
I
it, bro.
put the ID in the chat.
Is it hard?
Okay, no, this is a really bad idea.
No, it's like beginner exchange ship.
Okay, no, this shit is free.
Got 3.
Yeah, it's got
This
4%.
thing's about to get-
Alright.
Oh my god, yeah, this is easy.
Wait, how am I dying to that, bro? That shit is
I'm
literally...
This is easy, bro. Wait, this is genuinely sight readable.
Actually, bro.
Yeah, I just sight read 10%.
I just got 9. Holy fuck.
This is the ball time.
Wow, I keep dying
Wait, this
to...
is actually free. Wait.
I keep dying to the blue orb in the ball.
Wait, but this actually looks fun. I actually like this one.
We have to get 33 on this though.
Yeah, kill myself. So.
Oh my! Wait, I beat Misfire. No way, I did it.
Yo, no way I did that shit for first try.
Okay, this ship
Oh,
is
let's
not
go,
that bad. I'm pre-practicing, bro.
Bro, what the...
Oh,
I'm doing the
my
I'm doing the
God.
Benny special.
Yes! Speed a new hardest level right now. Crazy.
I'm doing the Benny special.
Bro, I fucking did it. I fucking did it. I fucking did it. Oh my god, I don't have to play this level anymore. Well, let's look at the stats. So, 20,145 attempts. Death trackers. Okay. Wait, why is it? Doesn't matter. 16 fucking hours. I think some of this data is lost, but it's whatever, bro. So 20,145 attempts. And not just that, but alright, let's count how many 65% plus attempts there were. 16, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 26, 30, 37, 41, 42, 49, 50, 60, 62, 63, 64. And on the 65% plus attempt and rebeating it because Mike didn't record and over 20,000. Oh, I'm actually so fucking happy I did that. I can finally stop playing that fucking level. I actually cannot express like the joy that I feel right now. Whatever, bro. It's over. I'm fucking done.